QO, I have a couple questions from a friend of ours named Joe Chin in Germany. He opens with a note to you. He says, I would like to send my warm greetings and a hearty metaphysical hug to our brothers and sisters of QO. I would like to say how exciting and what a wonderful service it is to help spread the Confederation message. If QO would like to comment on our efforts of starting up LL Research satellite centers and how this plays into the general pattern of development of human consciousness. I am QO and am aware of your query, my friend. We are aware that you have begun a great undertaking in becoming what may be called a satellite of this particular group, that known as LL Research, and we are most appreciative of your great desire to serve in this fashion. For as entities such as yourself, who take upon themselves the responsibilities of making information concerning love, light, and unity available to those who seek it, this is seen as a great service by those of the angelic realms, and there is a great feeling of gladness and rejoicing as each entity, such as yourself upon the planetary surface, finds more ways of sharing the love and the light of the one infinite creator that grows within the self. For this is the process, my friend. As the love and the light grows within you, and you become aware of it, it is a natural function of this love and light to move from you to others. To discover love and light within makes possible the sharing of it with others, and as it moves through you, it is magnified. There is no end to this love and light. You cannot dissipate it. You cannot use it up, shall we say, for it comes not from you, it comes through you, so you will find your efforts of serving others to produce more ability and energy and desire and inspiration to serve in such a fashion. We can say no more grateful words than these, that you have blessed the Confederation by your service, and we thank you, my brother.